Today we are going to learn some new manners that we need to follow in computer lab. So our first rule, do not eat or drink in the computer room. See, do not eat or drink in the computer room. So what is he doing? He is drinking a cold drink and taking, I think, a burger. So is this correct way to be behave in computer lab? No. So this is wrong picture. But she is not eating or drinking anything in computer lab. So this is right one. Understood? If I'll say here, eat or drink in the computer lab or computer room, so this will be a false statement. Okay, but if I'll say do not eat or drink in the computer room, so this is a correct statement. Okay, so keep this in mind that you are not allowed to drink or eat in computer room or lab. Next rule is do not sit too close to the monitor. This is monitor. Okay, so he is very close to monitor, but she is working from a distance. So this is a wrong picture and this is a right picture. But why we do not sit too close to the monitor? Yes, because it can harm our eyes. It can harm our eyes. Okay, so please do not sit too close to the monitor. This is for our health, for our safety. Okay, so next rule is do not make noise in the computer lab. In this image you can see they both are doing some noise and playing something and also talking with each other, and he is very sincere boy and he is doing him work with the help of teacher. So this is right one and this is wrong picture. Okay, our next rule is do not push the computer table, it can disturb the cable and connections. See, he is working by sitting on chair. So this is right one, but he is pushing the table. Then all the wires, cables, connection that are connected to each other will be disturbed, and maybe your computer will not start again. So this is wrong manners, and we never touch wire and cable also, and we never push the computer table. Okay, so push the computer table. If I ask for a true or false statement, push the computer table, is this correct statement? No, false statement. But if I say do not push the computer table, means this is right statement. This is a manners of a computer lab, how we need to behave in computer lab. Okay, why we do not push the computer table? Because it can disturb the cable connection. Okay, so our last rule is cover up the computer with the dust cover after switching it off. While we are working on computer, it is okay, we are working, okay, but when we shut down our computer or we are going to switch off the computer, after switching off the computer we need a dust cover to cover the computer, so the dust will not touch to the computer directly. Okay, so this is, in this image you can see dust cover is covering the computer, so this is right. But after off the computer, switching off the computer, in this image we are not having any dust cover, so this is wrong statement. Understood? Read this statement 5 rules 2 times again, then combine the both PDF 1 means part 1 and part 2. You are having total 10 manners in computer lab. Okay, so you just read out them 2 to 3 times. Okay, in next class I will give you exercise question. Okay, thank you.